Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have studied about the anomalous behavior of oxygen. We have seen that oxygen is very small in size and it is highly electronegative. It also has the absence of d orbitals in its valence shell, and due to small size and high electronegativity, there are some strong hydrogen bonds found in H2O but not found in H2S, H2Se or H2T. Due to absence of d orbitals, in oxygen, the valency of oxygen remains limited up to 4 and practically or hardly exceeds to 2. So now we should study about the reactivity of group 16 elements with hydrogen. All the elements of group 16 form hydrides of type H2E, where E is either oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium or polonium. So with the reaction with hydrogen, they may produce H2O, H2S, H2Se, H2T or H2PO. Order of acidic character can be represented as H2O is the least acidic, H2S is more acidic than H2O, H2Se is more acidic than H2S and H2O, and H2T is the most acidic among all these four. Now we should see the value of enthalpy of bond dissociation for H bond E. So here H and O, H and S, H and Se, H and T, what is the amount of bond dissociation enthalpy? For HO bond dissociation enthalpy is 463 kJ per mole. Same way for HS 347, for HSE 276, for HT 238 kJ per mole. If we look at these values and we go from oxygen to sulfur to selenium to tellurium, we realize that the value decreases. That means to break these bonds, less and less amount of energy is required. It simply means that these bonds are becoming weaker and weaker, and that is why from going oxygen to sulfur to selenium to tellurium, this hydrogen can be easily removed or it can be easily producing H plus ions. More is bond dissociation enthalpy, difficult to break the bond. More difficult to break the bond to release H plus. So difficult to release H plus, less is the acidic character. So H2O, where the breaking of OH bond is difficult, it is least acidic, and H2T, where the breaking of bond T, E and H is very comfortable, very easy, it is the most acidic in nature. This is how we can explain the order of acidic character. Order of thermal stability. The meaning of thermal stability is when they are heated, do they decompose? If they decompose easily, we can say they are less thermally stable. If they do not decompose easily, we can say that they are thermally stable. The order of thermal stability can be expressed as H2O, H2S, H2O is greater than H2S is greater than H2Se is greater than H2T is greater than H2PO. How can we explain this order? We have just seen that to break the bond between oxygen and hydrogen, we need highest amount of energy, but to break the bond between tellurium and hydrogen, we need lowest amount of energy. Thus, this bond is not broken easily and it requires more energy to be broken. That is why it is more thermally stable, whereas this is less thermally stable. The more stable is the bond, more energy required to break the bond. The more energy required to break the bond, more is its bond dissociation enthalpy. The order of thermal stability is as shown above. All the hydrides except water possess reducing property. So H2O, please remember, H2O does not possess reducing property, but all the other hydrides like H2S, H2Se, H2Te, they possess reducing property. They have reducing character because they can easily produce hydrogen or H plus ions and they can reduce others. The order of reducing property is H2S is less than H2Se is less than H2Te. This can also be explained by the bond dissociation enthalpy because H2Te can easily produce hydrogen and that is why it can reduce others. H2S show least reducing property while H2Te show most reducing property. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying your studies. Happy learning.